A loudspeaker is basically an example of an electric motor. The cone of a loudspeaker moves in and out, creating waves of pressure in the air. It pushes air. The frequency at which the cone pushes back and forth in the air is related to the frequency or the pitch the speaker is required to make. At the rear of the cone is mounted a magnet. This magnet creates a magnetic field. Around the magnet is wound a coil that's mounted inside the cabinet. Current flows through the coil, creating a magnetic field from the coil. Depending on the direction of the current, the magnetic field from the coil is either an attractive force or a repulsive force for the permanent magnet that's mounted on the cone. The current creates a B field in the loop, and the direction of that B field depends on whether the current flows into the coil one way or the other way. This current can be made to change direction many times per second using the amplifier, which pushes current back and forth. In that sense, this system is a lot like a motor, where electrical energy from the amplifier is being converted into mechanical energy, making the magnet on the back of the cone drive back and forth.